In question 8, we're told that Jack has £400 and he buys a bike. And he spends 35% on the bike. How much does he spend on the bike? So I want you to know that this symbol means per cent. And this just simply means out of, and cent means 100. Now with this question, you need to know a couple of things. To work out 10%, you take your number and you divide it by 10. And to work out 5%, there's 2 steps. First of all, you divide it by 10. Then you divide it by 2. So what we'll do is we'll work out 10%. 10% of 400. So there's my number 400. This one's quite straightforward because this number 400 ends in a 0. And whenever you divide a number that ends in 0 by 10, you simply cross off the 0. So 400 divided by 10 is 40. So we'll write 40 there. Now we want 35%. We've got 10%, so let's add another 10%. Another 10% would be another 40. So we've got 10, 20, we want 10 more for 30. So now altogether we have 10, 20, 30%. And that's 40, 40 and 40. But we want 35%. And how do we work out 5%? So let me write down 400. So our first step is divide the number by 10. So let's divide this by 10. That disappears. So now we have 40. And what's our second step? Divide by 2. So we need to divide this by 2. How do we divide 40 by 2? Now, because 4 is even, we can try a shortcut in our head. So let's hide this 0. So what is 4 divided by 2? 4 divided by 2 is 2. And this 0 that we hid here, let's return that. So 40 divided by 2 is 20. So I know 5% will be 20. Now I have 10, 20, 30, 5%. And I simply add all these together. So 0 add 0 add 0 add 0 is a 0. Now careful. If you know your 4 times table, this is easy. 4, 8, 12 plus this 2 is 14. So we put the 4 down and we carry the 1 over to the next column. And we can write that straight down because we finished. There's nothing else to do. So our answer is 140. So Jack has £400. He spends 35% on his bike. And 35% of 400 is £140.